Hey guys, it's Fun to Play and welcome back to a brand new video. Yep.
Oh crap, they're sheep.
Why? I don't know why they got letters on them.
They came from that way.
Yeah, the gate's open probably.
Why not?
Yeah, so guys, we're doing like another den building. HyperPython.
Basically, I'll tell you what's going on now. We are recording this video right after Miss Slayer's video, but his video cut like literally just a second ago. And then we're gonna record mine right after this one.
Yes. So that's what we're gonna do. And also, I'm gonna do a short video as well. And Tyler's got weird songs on.
What did you say then?
I mean, he's got brilliant music. It's so great, like the old classics. Not really, guys.
I need that, baby.
Baby.
Boo boo, baby. Gary.
Dun, dun. Yeah, he's trying to chop a piece of wood with a spade.
Not with a spade, it works.
Really?
I do have an axe and a hatchet.
Yeah, this is different from our other videos. Yeah, I know. Yeah, if you guys are wondering what's happened to one video called Den Building, guess what? I deleted it from my phone. So the only den building video we have is number 2.
On my channel, HyperPython.
Yeah, which is also linked. Is also linked to mine as well. So it's basically mine and HyperPython video.
Yeah, also, tell me about the random vids.
Oh yeah, if you guys were like a bit cringed out or something about the random stuff video,
Yes.
I would recommend to be cringy, because that's what that video is. It's a cringy video. Because obviously, me and HyperPython had nothing to do, because I went over to his house. I'm not going to tell you where he is. Snowdonia. Yeah, he lives up Snowdonia.
There's no houses in Snowdonia, you little leer.
Shh, you have never went up there. Yeah, so...
You haven't even left Wales yet.
Yeah, and obviously, I went over to his house. It took whiles to get up there. And whiles, sorry if I'm messing up my name. Yeah, it took hours to get up there.
No, it didn't. It only took like 5 minutes. He does not live in Snowdonia.
Excuse me.
You don't live in Snowdonia because that's literally...
Okay, guys, I'm going to say that I live inside a barrel. There you go. I live inside a barrel that's inside of a... I don't know, a megalodon, really. And I have...
Megalodons don't exist, though.
You never know.
I'm the logic one of the group. He's the one who bloody loves video games so much, and this one's the cringy one.
Excuse me, I'm not cringing. I just like to...
The golden trio!
I like
the
to...
logic one, the one who's addicted to video games and learning Russian. I'm the cringy one. I'm not addicted to games.
Really?
Oshan!
And guys, do you see this hoe? It's going to be knocked down.
That's not a hoe.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's not a hoe.
I know, it's a pitchfork. I don't care what it is. Oh! Yeah, guys, this is also sort of a cringy video. Oh, and guess what, guys? Oh, yeah, it does have a hole in the bottom. Never mind. Yeah, we're going to build a new den, guys, and let's just go down and see what it's like. And guys, this is the one that we might use. Sorry if my camera's been weird by running, but really. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, this is probably going to be our new den. Like, we can just climb over here like this. Yeah, just over this piece of wood. Or we could just go sit on it. You know, but obviously HyperPython doesn't think he'd be good to use this one. Sorry guys, cough. And also it could be a Tyler. I mean, Slayer is trying to be one of those people who chase after Frankenstein, the monster.
That's not the monster's name!
I call him.
Frankenstein's... Jesus Christ, where's the...
Yeah, I know Frankenstein's a scientist, but I like to think of
Hey, you
it
mean the doctor?
scientist.
Doctor.
Doctors help people. Scientists make stuff that are unusual.
Not all doctors help people.
Yeah, they do.
Some doctors kill people.
Those are knuckle doctors.
Time to kill this mother. Who loves this bloody song? It's well annoying.
It's you, Tyler.
No, it isn't. It's you.
No,
What did you just say then, Christopher?
it's you.
I mean, Thunder Player. That's what you get for calling me by my real name.
Oh yeah, guys, if
Don't do that, James.
you've seen the name for I don't want to show why I can't show my dog. I'm sorry if it says shoe. It's meant to say show.
I'm pointing that out, just saying.
Yeah, no one really cares.
Sure, if I help you.
But it's not my fault, guys. It's basically the phone doing autocorrect. Also
Correct.
correct.
Carrot.
Correct Professor Rect.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to...
Liverpool won the Champions League. We won it 6 times.
And guys, if you think that song is from a movie, it is from Rocky. And I'm pretty sure it's from Rocky 2.
No, it is
Right.
not.
Yes, it is.
Shut up. Oh, is that Tyler? Where is the den that you said that we...
Here.
This.
This could be a better one
Yeah,
if we move all that away.
Yeah, we just need to vote for it. Let's go vote
We
for
just need to, knock away all the nettles. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, this song, guys, is from Rocky, where Apollo Creed is training Rocky in one of the films. I forgot what it was. I forgot which one it was.
Hey, Christopher, and Thunder Player. You're very weak.
Yeah, maybe. I think this song would be very good for a den building videos.
What a coincidence!
A coincidence.
Coincidence! This it? Oh crap! Sorry, mate.
It doesn't matter anyway, does it? No.
What crappy songs on?
Yeah, I think this is Tyler.
Living in an town.
Myth Slayer's playlist.
Yes, it is actually.
Guys.
Yes.
No one gives a damn.
What building is
Why?
it? That we cannot move.
Fine, we can just build inside here. There's plenty of room.
Yeah, true.
Right, I'm going to clear out the nettles.
I hate Fleetwood Mac. But for some reason it's on my playlist.
Do you want to be better to get them away? The pitchfork.
Give me fucking pitchfork
It's just, guys, I'm sorry if I'm being all cringy. It's just, I'm getting to the music mood now. The music is on. So now our videos aren't boring anymore. I'm playing. They're just
Cringy.
musical.
Gonorrhea.
You know what that is, right?
Yeah, Chris doesn't even know what that is.
Which?
Do you know what gonorrhea is?
Yeah. Gonorrhea.
No,
my
the
God.
meaning of the word.
No.
Basically another word for diarrhea. 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 Stick up your bum, diarrhea. Diarrhea.
Are you sure it's
What?
Hi. Diarrhea.
No one needs to listen to my rock playlist.
Yeah, we
That
want
was when I went to my emo phase. Already.
emo phrase.
Somehow.
How is that pitchfork doing for you, Miss Slane? I mean, HyperPython. Why do I keep on mixing up names? Okay, video. Oh, never mind. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, I know that I wasn't being talking or saying anything, but sorry, this is going to be a short video or a long video. You choose, guys.
Everybody loves this song, don't they?
But yeah,
Everybody loves this song. It's an amazing song.
yeah. I'm just going to. Hey, over here.
What?
Here.
I really want to kill myself.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, sorry if this is going to be a short video. And next video is going to be going on to HyperPython 75. So, yeah, like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. And peace out.